What up, everybody? It's Coach MeannaDK here, and today I am making shea butter. Listen, I've been making my own shea butter for a couple of years now. I can't remember the last time I brought some lotions or something like that. You know how everybody runs to Bath and Body Works when they have a sale, and I'm about to go get the bath gel, the lotion. I'm gonna get, the spray and body mist. I'm gonna do all of that, right? I haven't had need to do that in a couple of years now. And it's because I make my own. Number one, I have very, very dry skin and it's sensitive. I be done broke out in a rash, some hives and some more stuff, right? So I just make it myself with a few things that I get from Taj Mahal down in LA, okay? So I'm gonna go through that process and I thought I'd bring you along with me. Let's go. So I think you'll find this shea butter recipe to be pretty darn luxurious and feel really good against your skin. I'm going to start out with some regular shea butter and some mango butter, and I'm going to melt them all down. And once they're melted down like they are right here, then I'm going to start to add my other essential oils. So I tend to start with mineral oil. It's one of those good, dependable, all-purpose types of oils. And again, for my skin, the more moisture, the better, okay? So I'm going to add the mineral oil. I'm also adding like pumpkin seed oil. I'm adding sweet almond oil. I'm adding for a little bit of vibrancy rose hip oil. I'm adding black castor oil. No, I'm adding all the things. And in terms of how much to add, I don't know. I've been doing it a long time, so I can just kind of tell by looking at it if it's been going long enough or not, really, is what it comes down to. What I really, really love about shea butter is that it's so good for overall hydration. Not just your hands and your feet, which for me can sometimes be notoriously ashy, but also for your face and for the rest of your body. And that really, really feels good for me, because I don't know about you, but I really like knowing what's going on in my body. I really love knowing that there are no forever chemicals. I love knowing that there are no preservatives in this. I also love knowing that there are no cancer-causing carcinogens, that they're putting in the products now just to make sure that it can last on the shelf for a longer period of time. And no, I'm not willing just to do it and wait. And then if we come out on some trouble, then we'll know that this wasn't something that we should have done. I'm not interested in that, Now, you'll notice that, that personal one right there, and I'm going to put in another one, but I use my extra, most specialist, most bestest fragrance, right? So for the ones that are for my personal use that I know I'm the only person that's going to dip in this jar, I use my fragrance. And yes, I could tell you what it is, but I would most definitely have to kill you if I did that. And, we don't want to do that. So then I put a little bit of my extra, most specialist, most bestest in that particular container and fill it up. And in the next container, I went ahead and went with the rest of the peppermint oil that I had left and filled the rest container with the leftover shea butter. And now I have exactly what I need. I make sure I label them properly so I'm not picking up the wrong one. And shoot, we're good to go after that. When I say this is one of my favorite things to do for myself, I love this shea butter. It doesn't get any better than this. And you can scent it up however you want, but start with this base. It'll work. Okay, so after drying, it looks something like this. This is the one that I scented with peppermint. And this is the all me baby. It's done too, right? And this will last however long it lasts. I try to always have a little something on hand to get me through in case I have to make an emergency order from Taj Mahal. You can see I didn't even use all of the shea butter I had just to be safe. Rather be safe than sorry, right? These work for me. They work for my skin. Nothing ever is making me not ashy though. Just full transparency and honesty. Especially my legs, for whatever reason. If I don't reapply, I'm gonna be ashy later on, and that's cool. I've come to accept that. The thing is being able to make the things myself, control the products. Everything is natural. that's going on my body, and that is very important to me. Let me know if you make your own shea butter. Do you prefer it the way I made it? Some people like it whipped. Do you like your shea butter whipped, or do you like it where you kind of taking your finger and kind of having to, you know, scoop it out? Either way works, just to be honest, but it's just a preference. So y'all let me know what y'all like down in the comments. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm MeannaDK, and I love y'all. I swear I do.